As today we'll talk about how can you add or change your business phone number on your business switch app. We'll go to figure out the solution on how you can do that on your app. All you have to do, you just go down, click here on tools down here. So then it's going to take you to this list. Then you click here on settings. Then it's going to take you to this list. And all you have to do, just click here on profile info here. Then it's going to take you to this list, and all you have to do now, just go down. Then you click here on here contact options and come to this list. Then you click here on business phone number. Then here can you select here your country code. Then here can you add your phone number or change it. And here can you select here how what do you like to be reached here. If you want to be reached with calls or texts, when you're done, just click here on save. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribing.